Sonata is about to serve something very special for you today. And the boat you see right now is not really a necessity. It was about time to work out the abs and core, but she's making it spicy today. You can actually do these exercises in a pull-up bar. But if you have a boat like this nearby, don't hesitate. There's something you have to keep in mind though. Mind-muscle connection. It's not how much you lift, but how you lift. Today is Sonata, tomorrow it can be you. Just keep working out.